Number 10 wants us to find the average rate of change of the function on the given interval. So we found rates of change from a graph. We're using the same formula, but this is with an equation. So my a and b are given here for my interval. I just need to know what f of a is and what f of b is. So f of a, you want to plug in a, or 3, into the equation, and you should get 15. F of b, if you plug in b, or 6, it's going to be 2 times 6 squared minus 6, and this is going to be equal to 66. So the average rate of change is going to be 66 minus 15 over 6 minus 3, which is going to be 51 over 3, which is 17. So that's going to be my average rate of change.